Hey everyone, my dear friend Linda Davis Farrell, my dearest friend was asking me about this salad recipe that I discovered on public television, and it's really simple. It's nothing to it. It's essentially kale, okay, kale, and it's drizzled with olive oil. This is virgin olive oil. And then, of course, kale is very coarse. You have to massage that in there really good. Massage it really good. Just play with your food. You know how you used to do as a kid. Play with your food. Okay. And then add some, the recipe calls for some lemon juice. It actually had a fresh lemon, but I don't have that. So I got some lemon juice. Just a little. Work that in there. Right? Okay. Play with your food. It's okay. And just a little salt. And that's the recipe. That's it. Okay? But what I did, because the girls got to eat, I added some romaine lettuce. Okay? Yeah. Play with your food. It's okay. I added some romaine lettuce, and it gets better. It gets better because then I got a tortilla, okay? And so I added some avocados. Oh yeah. Some sliced avocados, some sliced red peppers for color and texture, avocados for creaminess, and the good fat. Oh, to make matters even better, I got some turkey. Poor tortilla doesn't have a chance. Okay, so that's that, and then I'm just going to top it. Go ahead, have at it. Just do as much as you want. This is my tortilla, turkey, salad thing. Yeah, poor tortilla doesn't have a chance. But yeah, there you have it. I'm telling you, life is good.